Hello everyone, so we have a piece of paper over here and I will draw a cat. And I have the idea of a cat because I have a cat teddy and it's really good. Now I'm doing a different type of cat than this, but yeah, I am doing a cat. So let's get started. You'll need a pencil to draw. So, first of all, I always start with the ears. So the ears should be right here, like that. I do pointy ears, so you can do pointy ears. And then I do its head, so like a circle, just like that. And then the other ears. And that's the only thing you will need to do. You can pause the video if I get too fast. So now comes the head part. So you just come down a straight, well, kind of straight one, but a tiny bit curved. And do it long because it's the cat's head. Well, the cat's side. Just like that. And then this side. Okay, so I think that's what you need to do so far. So then we just connect, well, with a curve, its head like that. You can do a little fluffy fur, the bottom. So then we know it has some fur. So that's it. Now comes its eyes. So where would I put her eyes? Could be a hint for you. I will put it over here. Just like that. I do different types of eyes. So then I'll just put that. Some people might do different types of eyes, but yeah, I do this. And then little eyelashes coming out at the top of its eye, just like that. And that's it. And now we'll do the other eye. So it will look at the same way. So just do its eye right over here. That's it. And then we do a little curve, like a C curve over here. And eyelashes coming out at the top. Just like that. And now we're going on to the nose. So the nose will just come out like just like this, okay. That's it. Now just do a little black colouring inside it. With a pencil, it's kind of long to colour in. Okay. Now comes its bottom, nose and mouth, which I do. So, just a straight line, and just like that. And then, again, like that. And then I just do a little tongue, and do spots. And the most important part is the whiskers. Just like that. Yeah, so far good, but we have to do the ears again. Okay, just like that. So we're doing the inside of the ears now, and then on the other side. Good. And now we'll just do a tiny bit of hair at the top. If you're doing a boy one, then you can just leave the hair at the top or do a bow for it, whatever you want to do with your cat. I'm putting a bow, so just going to draw a little bow. So we're finished. Our lovely art. Oh, and don't forget to colour it in. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.